here we are calling everyone in the area of electrical engineering, mechatronics, mechanical engineering. This is really about the inspection, maintenance, troubleshooting of all the railway crossing, of the signals, so that we really make sure every train stops when it should stop and just goes when it should go. And here, for example, you can see Class B driving license required from the first day of work. Why? Because you will have to drive somewhere, sometimes maybe alone or in team, with the car of the company, of course, but to fix something. So in that cases, yeah, it's not possible to drive with a train there or with a bus because it's in the middle of somewhere where you have to fix the lightning or the crossroads, so the train can really stop there. That's for these cases, driving license is necessary. And then the next one is skilled workers for civil engineering. So we even have in this area, because as mentioned, there are many train stations that have to be built or renovated. So here we are calling bricklayers, civil engineers, metal constructors. Again, Class B driving license needed. And the rest applies, as you know, B1 certificate with B2 course completion. And this is really about, yeah, working on the construction side. Then again, experts for electrical engineering. In that sense, it's more about doing the inspection and maintenance of electrical systems. It's a lot about the overhead lines of the trains. So as you can see in the image, it also might require some climbing. This is also part of the physical fitness test, where we will test in this, for this job, also the height suitability. So if you say, I fear working on up on the height, then this is nothing for you, unfortunately. This will be tested before. And of course, we don't want you to feel uncomfortable that you take a job and then you don't feel comfortable doing it when you're on site. Then we have something more specific, goes in the same direction, but has more like IT telecommunication side, but also calls for electronics experts and mechatronics. It's for telematics, very specific. It's for the telecommunication systems and railway infrastructure. So this is similar job, but with a different detailed focus, let's say. And then we have the last one in this technical area, which is the wagon master. The wagon masters are the ones who are checking the trains before they are leaving. And here there's a bit of a higher requirement. They want, besides the apprenticeship program and your high school degree, also a technical university degree. Why? It covers a lot of documentation. It's a lot about working as well on systems in the computer, typing and doing maintenance in that sense and documenting. So it has a bit more of a, you have to be out there with the train and working on it, but you really don't do the fixes. It's more documenting it so others can do the fixes. And there's a specific test that has to be done, which we will cover as well and fund for you, that you get this to be enabled to work on this one.